Lugger travelers. So today I am flying from Honolulu to Los Angeles to JFK and then finally to my destination, San Juan, Puerto Rico. I can't wait, I'm totally excited. But I'm super excited because I got this trip, this $1,222 trip for only this amount. That is insane. I'll tell you how I did it a little further in the video, but let's get to my flight. Okay, 3 routes right here. LAX, JFK to San Juan. There we go. It feels really weird not to be toting around my carry-on. But with my new Delta Skymiles card, I get 1 free checked luggage, and that's it, freedom. Although I do feel a little nervous about checking luggage because I've not checked luggage for a long time. I really don't trust the system sometimes because too much baggage gets lost. But I have in here enough for at least like a couple nights stay in the case my luggage gets lost. So I have all of my important things in this little carry-on right here, and of course I have my gear and I have my TSA pre-check, so I can go directly into pre-check. There's my flight. Well, this is nice. Honolulu Airport is stepping up in terms of technology. For the longest time though, it was a place where, yeah, you couldn't really charge anything and you couldn't get Wi-Fi. So I'm not someone who carries a hydro flask when I travel because I feel like it's just way too heavy. And with the gear that I carry to film my work, it's every little ounce weighs something on my back. What I'll usually do is I'll buy like a water bottle that's like this size, and I'll just reuse it over and over and over again. Even though it's plastic, it's still like I'm still reusing it. But this one was perfect. This little flask that I bought from Path, which it's a new brand to me. The water comes in refillable flasks like this, which are like, I think this is aluminum. So you can reuse it over and over and over again, and it's super lightweight and it's perfect. I think I paid like maybe $4 for it. Normally I wouldn't purchase water for $4 unless I were like at an airport and very, very thirsty. But I knew that I wanted to use this flask for travel. I really wanted to wear my nicer shoes. I knew that I would be doing a little bit of hiking, and I want to be prepared for that. So these aren't the greatest shoes. I do travel with them a lot though, but I think they've seen their time. Who knows? This might be its last trip. Wow, I didn't even realize. I guess I can track it then. That's really cool. You know, a lot of times you don't know what gate you're coming into and what kind of like what your connection, based on your connection time, you're not sure like where your other gate is located. So let's check out JFK. So I can see all the different terminals and where they're at, and that there is a sky train. I wonder if they tell you like where, oh they do. They have the number of the gates here too. All the way back, but I'm just thinking of
a new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
So 1 down, 2 more to go. So by no means am I like a travel hacker where I do a lot of credit cards and points. The way I got this trip was that I had been like, every time I take flights, like foreign flights to wherever, and there's no American carriers, I always shift my mileage points to Delta because Delta is one of my preferred airlines. And so it's really helpful that whenever you're traveling, you always shift your points somewhere to some place that you know you're going to use often. And these days, there's a lot of partnerships and alliances, and so that really helps, because even when I'm flying carriers like Sri Lankan Air or Philippine Airlines, just so happened that I looked at my Delta points and realized that I had enough for a full flight. Now that's really cool. So the second thing I did was I noticed that American Express Delta Skymiles had an offer, and you know, like for signing up for their card, and it was like, I think it was like 40,000 points or something like that, that you could get if you spent $4,000 within the span of, I think it might have been 4 months. It's not the standard 3 that you see with other credit cards, and so it was just like I had a little longer to score up points. That credit card doesn't have an annual fee, so it was easy and a no-brainer for me to sign up. The cool thing about that card is that you're allowed 1 free checked baggage anytime you fly Delta. So that's a huge bonus right there. So additionally, American Express has free trip insurance on any flight that you purchase using that card. New York, we are in JFK. One last leg, and we're there. So let's see, I got a text on the plane about my next leg, which is 1877, departing time gate B53 in Terminal 4, 820. Going to B53. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be all the way at the end. More airports need these in their bathroom. After a day flying, it's always nice to refresh yourself in your nether regions. So I've got baby tissues, baby wipes. This is where you can let your pup do their business while you're in transit and then wash up after them. If we are unable to find space on board for your carry-on bag, we ask you to report this. No time to get coffee. And we're already boarding here. Rounding the corner. We're at the home stretch. Almost there. Ooh, it's fairly empty right now. So if I'm correct, this might be taking roughly around 2 hours, I want to think. But then I can't account for a time difference. I'm not sure if there is a time difference between New York and San Juan. Oh, it was really hard to get up. Hola, GRRR travelers. So here we are in San Juan, Puerto Rico. So excited. Don't have an idea of what I will be seeing here, but I'm very excited.
It's through resourcefulness and viewers like you who keep my channel going. So if you love what I do and want to see me continue creating solo travel videos, support me on Patreon. Travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the GRRR be with you.